you how easy it is to create an exit pop-up video or a lead generator with EasyWeb Video's lead generator. So I'm inside our friend Chad Knisley's account here, and within the account this is what you will see when you purchase today. So inside the account you'll see a folder pre-post. These are some videos we give you. You can easily add these before or after any video. So I'll use these as an example just to show you how easily you can create an exit pop-up with any old YouTube video. You don't have to use the EasyWeb Video S3 uploader, although you do get extra features and functionality and benefits of doing it that way. But let me show you how to do it with just any old YouTube video. So I'm going to pick any video here. It doesn't matter because I'm going to change the video. I'm going to swap it out with a YouTube video. So let me just say whatever, this one here. And this one doesn't really matter. I'm going to click this button at the bottom that says Create Exit Pop-Up. Now I don't have any exit pop-ups in my list here, so I'm going to click on New Exit Pop-Up. Now here is where I can select from 5 different templates to create an exit pop-up. These look differently each one, and they've all been tested and they convert very, very well. These have gotten us a lot of emails in our opt-in list simply by using these styles. So they work really well and they'll work just as well for you. So this one, for example, has worked very, very well for us. It's 50% complete. This is an animated bar, and it basically convinces people, hey, I've already done 50% of the work. All I got to do is put in my email, and it's an NLP thing, a neuro-linguistic programming thing that gets people to opt in. It works very, very well. We've tested this. So this template will look like this. The email opt-in form's at the bottom and the video goes here. Now let me show you how to quickly use any YouTube video in this space. So let me just close this and I'll say sure, I'll use this 50% template, and I'll click on next. It was one of 2 steps. Click on next, and here is where all the magic happens. This is where you create your lead generator. So I'll show you, start from the top. You can select the pop-up width and height. You can leave it as the default, which is what I normally do. Default height and width are there for a reason because they work very, very well. And you then set up your provider, whether it's Aweber, Constant Contact, MailChimp, Infusionsoft, GetResponse, or your custom form code if your provider is not one of these listed above. But we have done the proper professional integration with each one of these through each one of their proper API processes, so it's done the right way. So for example, with Aweber, you would simply select Aweber if you happen to have an account with Aweber, and then you log in with Aweber through this link. And after you log in and grant access, I'm not going to do that right now because I'm just going to show you, your Aweber lists will appear right here. So then you select which list you want the email address to be opted into, and that's it. It's done. And the style and everything looks exactly as it's designed in here. So that's how you set up your Aweber account. But let me show you how to use any existing YouTube video. I simply select or check this box. Select, there's a new word. I simply select this box and I enter in the YouTube ID. So I've got one up here as an example. Here's our friend Todd, and he's got, I just randomly pulled this off of YouTube. So I want this video ID. I'm going to copy it and I'm going to paste it right there. That's all there is to it. And now we can either send people, after they submit the email form down here, after they submit this form, we can have them go to any URL, any web page we would like by choosing this radio button, or we can have any text we would like show up here as a simple pop-up that shows after they click on this button that says send my report. So let me show you what that looks like. And obviously there's a full editor here, so you can change all of this text, anything you want to say, you can change all of that, and a full editor here to be able to do that. Very, very easy. But let me show you what it looks like with this video. I'm going to click on preview, and now this is going to open up, and it looks like nothing, right? But watch what happens when I go to exit. There's the pop-up, and there's Todd's YouTube video. That's exactly how it works. There's the exit pop-up when I went to leave the page. The page happened to be a blank page for this preview, but you can see exactly how it works, and there's the email form and there's the submit button. So you might think, well, this is an exit pop-up. We probably want this video to autoplay, right? Well, we've got you covered. Simply check this box, autoplay the YouTube video. Now watch what happens when I preview. I'm going to preview it. I'm going to go to exit.
Hi, it's Todd Gross. How are you?
Just like that. So you can have any video you'd like from YouTube as your exit pop-up video, and any template from our existing templates. Let me show you again one of these templates. So it's very, very easy to use YouTube, and it works very, very well, and it's just that easy. Let me show you now how to do it with your own video if you want to use the functionality that is given to you through our Easy Web Video S3 uploader software that you also get as a bonus for purchasing today. And there's extra features and benefits of using our software. Let me walk you through that process right now.
Next, Sean is going to show you how to use the Easy Web Video Lead Generator with Amazon S3, not YouTube, but S3, which also opens up even more functions within your Easy Web Video account that you can use today. Just watch.
Okay, so you get this software. This is our brand new, I'm very proud of it. This is our brand new software called Easy Web Video S3 Uploader. And as the name implies, this allows you to upload videos directly to your S3 account very, very easily. You just have to grant access one time to your Amazon S3 account. Very easy. You just give the bucket name and the secret key and access key, and it's set up. Very easy to do. We have a video that shows you step by step exactly how to do that, so you don't have to fumble and mess around with Amazon. It's a one-time process, set and forget, and then from that point forward, all of your videos from your computer into your Amazon and Easy Web Video account are so easy to do. Let me show you how. So I simply select source videos using this button, and I've got one just for testing. This just happens to be a talking head thing. So there's my video. Now I can select more videos if I want to upload a number of videos. This batch uploader works fantastically, but I'll just do one for an example. I'm going to click on convert, and that video is now going to convert to a web-friendly format. So there's the video, and I can change the title if I want to change the title here, but let me just leave it as is for now. That's fine. Here's the video. I can play it again, play it back rather, to see what it looks like, but that looks fine. I'm going to click on publish, and boom, that video is now uploaded to the account just like that. So if I want, I don't have to create an exit pop-up if I don't want. This comes with your purchase today, as I mentioned. So you can copy and paste this embed code and put that video anywhere online right now. But if you want to manage it online within your account, you simply click here and you'll be able to manage that video and create an exit pop-up. But I'll show you another way you can do that. So I'm inside, this does the same thing. I'm inside Chad's account, and there it is. You see, that's the video I just uploaded. It wasn't there before, but I just uploaded it with the software, and there's the video. So I simply click on that video. Here it is. Now the benefit of using our uploader is that now you have full functionality and full control over the video. You don't have YouTube's branding, you don't have any links going back to YouTube, you don't have anything distracting your viewer from the main message you're trying to get across. And you can control this any way you would like. Let me show you what I mean by that. We can remove the logo from the player. We can add social media buttons with just a couple of clicks. You can see now I've got social media buttons, Facebook and Twitter. This actually looks a bit big. Let me resize that, and you can see the aspect ratio is maintained. I simply hit tab. Very easy to do. There's an embed button, so people can embed this video on their site. Maybe we don't want that. Maybe I deselect that. No more embed button. This black player, maybe I don't like that player style. I can change that player style. We've got a number of styles, and each one a number of different colors. I happen to like player number 6 with this kind of rounded triangle, and we can go blue because it looks kind of cool. So we've got that. Now we want this video, since it's going to be an exit pop-up, we probably want this to autoplay. So we change this to autoplay. Very simple. The video is now set to autoplay. Now here's where we go back into the exit pop-up feature. Like I showed you with YouTube, you can now do this with the video hosted on your own Amazon S3. So I simply create exit pop-up, and I click on new exit pop-up. Again, we've got our templates just like I showed you before. Let's, for this example, do this red arrows one and go next. And you can see down here, here's the red arrows one. I can change all the text here. Check out all the features in our demo. Let me see, in our super video below, just to show you that I can change the text. Our fantastic new, let me say, our wicked new product. And there's what the video is going to look like, how it's going to appear. Here's the arrows. You can change all of this text. And let's say you don't want an opt-in form. Perhaps you just want the video to show up, and you don't want any opt-in form. You just want the video to say, hey, wait, before you leave, make sure you check out below and get this bonus offer, or whatever the message happens to be. You can actually delete these elements right here, and you don't have to have them show up. So I just deleted that. So, or you can delete the name element. It's completely controlled by you. Whatever you want it to look like, you can do that. And again, same as before, you connect with any of these email providers or your own custom form code. You can customize all of this and customize what happens after they submit the form. So just for this example, yeah, that looks fine. I'm going to go ahead and preview it just to make sure it looks okay. And I'm going to go to exit.
This is just a
There is the pop-up video, and there is the autoplay video that I just set with all the player functionality that I specified. Very easy to do. Now to add this to any web page, I would simply just click save, and I would get my embed code right here. Click on this, and I copy and paste this in the footer part of my web page. We can help you with that. Our customer support rep, Alton, is fantastic at helping you, and he's very quick, 7 days a week. He'll help you out if you don't know how to do this. It works with WordPress as well. So you simply copy and paste this code. That's it. Copy, paste it into your site, and then again, one more time, you need 2 snippets of code. You copy this into the body tag. And that's how easy it is to create an exit pop-up with Easy Web Video's lead generator.